60% of Zerve users generate fewer than 3 lifetime events. The top 25 generate everything else. I built a model to predict which group of new users fall into using only the first 7 days of behavior. 409,287 events, 4,771 users, 60 features, all from day 1 through 7. Zero leakage, Zerve environment run into 2 HistGradientBoosting classifiers tuned with 50 iteration randomized search CV combined with a solved Ensemble with threshold optimized to 0.71. The result is an out curve of 0.9825, precision of 97.4%, one false positive for every 38 flags. The most predictive feature is the agent session opener. Wherever a user invokes Zerve's AI agent in their first very session. Permutation importance rank number 1 of 60. Users who open one Python session in 1 week become power users at the 93% rate. Users that don't 20% a 7.509x lift visible in the day 3. This is an actionable immediately. I use Zerve AI agent across 8 sessions. One session to propose whatever the first session agent adoptions outperform the Coulomb adoption, that the hypothesis became the number 1 feature in the model. Zerve's own agent found its most important adoption signal. I also performed a k-means cluster and revealed that 5 behaviors are archetypes. The agent pioneer with a 11.5 of users has a 100% of power usage rates. The causal browser, a 70% of user, has a 5.5%. The entire conversation opportunity lies at the top of the funnel. 5 products intervention, auto-prompt, the first block run, early re-engagement notification, cross-featuring discovery, projected to cover plus 111 additional power users per month. That's a 25% increase from current baseline. The model is deployed using FastAPI, an external system, onboarding flow, notification trigger, success team dashboard, can score user in milliseconds their first week of the behavior. Zerve already has a product that creates the power users. That data shows exactly when to activate it. It starts at the 5 first minutes. Additional to this, Zerve has the ability to debug the code, helps you to iterate it and guides you in errors, and also has the ability for creating some deployments using different dashboards like Streamlit, Dash, and also it allows you to create some reports of your analysis. You just describe the insights, visualization, and data you want to include, and it will automatically generate a report of your analysis.